Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to install LibreOffice on your system. Remember, LibreOffice is free and there's no need for you to go and waste money on something which is also you can get alternative for free somewhere, because it's not easy to make money and just waste it like that. So we're gonna use a terminal to install LibreOffice, but if we can't get that, we can use what they call, I think, Snaptic. Let me look for Snaptic first, but maybe you don't have Snaptic, you have to install LibreOffice. Let me see here, and also I want to see something here. This side I did create two stuff here, which is not appropriate for me somehow. I'm gonna show you how to install LibreOffice on Kali Linux. Okay, so we're going to try some unique things. So but now you have to know the name, how it goes. That's the thing I was struggling with. If you want to do the command, you must type in the right name, which you're gonna find into the thing there. So now let's try to do this. If we fail, we're gonna do it in a different way. So we're gonna say sudo apt-get libre no install. Then we can say LibreOffice. Okay. Okay, then say enter. It's gonna ask for the password. Let me put in the password. Okay, only that was what you need. You say yes, which is, then you say enter. So we're gonna be installing the latest version. So we're gonna see, but I made it. You know, sometimes I forget to do things. Before you do that, you have to upgrade, but my system, I've just upgraded it just now, so I didn't do that, but I'm supposed to do it. I'm gonna show you the command which you have to use to upgrade, to update, I mean to update your system. And if your system hasn't been upgraded in for a while, you also have to upgrade your system before you do this. But if you did that, so there's no reason why you don't have to run that command and install LibreOffice and start enjoy a free tool. So let's give it some time. It's gonna be fine. Once it's fine, we're gonna open it to test if it's working. It's sitting on you can see, no, it's downloading and install, and that is on 33%. Yeah, it's gonna be there. Yeah, it's getting there. This is a cool program. You're gonna enjoy it if you never used it. Yeah, guys, we're getting there. Yeah, guys, we getting there. Yeah, we're getting there, guys. Be patient. Everything is still going proper, guys. Don't terminate anything. Once it's done, then it's gonna tell us yes, it's done. Now you can see everything is fine. So now what's next is to test if it's working. We can close our terminal here, and then we try to say look for LibreOffice. You can see I've got my office calculator, base, whatever. This works like Excel, this calculator, and also this works like the drawing stuff, you get me. There's everything like what you need to know about, or like this is a full package, like it's a direct competitor to Microsoft Office, because this gives you everything Office can give you. So you click on that. After clicking on that, simply means you're going to do some stuff here. So you can open write document, click there, then you, that we know in your Microsoft Word, this is when you say this is new to me. Okay, you can see this, it works 100%. After, you can save this as a Word document, you can send it as a save it as a PDF, you can save it as whatever. So that's a good thing about this. Also, it's pretty good. So this is the way to go. This is the future of our softwares. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, please.